Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am unstuffing from my envelopes. I think this is going to be a pretty quick unstuffing. Oh, I'm going to condense too with whatever I have left over on my tray after I unstuff. So yeah, it's going to be pretty quick. I have a few things in my wallet, actually a ton of Starbucks money. Oh my goodness. Coffee money actually. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. Okay, 80 bucks. As you can see, I haven't taken that money back to the bank in a while. So that's going back into my checking account. Okay, so that's 80. I also have eating out. Oh, I went to Chick-fil-A this week, and I usually use the mobile app and pick up in the drive-thru, so I use that. So I need to take $4 out. I got a free sandwich, so I only had to buy fries. I have drinks at home, so I bought just a little thing of fries, and that was $4. It was less than $4, like 3 something. So I'm rounding it up to 4. So I need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I have $26 left to go buy something. I think probably gonna use this today to eat out. Okay, so that's $4. Let's see, anything else in here? Okay, that's everything from my wallet, so that's done. Next is family. Where's family? Here, okay. $30 from family. So that's 30. I'm left with $1. And then I just need to update my tracker. It's minus 30. Okay, next is road trip, which is gas money, which is in the black binder. Okay, we got road trip, which is $30. I think that's everything I have in here. So that's $30, yes. For gas money, because I went out of town. Okay, so zero that one out. Have nothing in road trip. Done. Next is Scentsy, because I had a Scentsy order. Wait, did I have? Yeah, I did. Okay, so that was $30. Done. So that's 30. And then last is hobbies. I got some photo prints done, so I'm taking that out of hobbies. I get them done at Walgreens. Okay, so $6. I think it was 5 something, but I'm just doing 6. Again, I round up. Usually when I'm unstuffing, I just round up, just so I make sure I put at least the same exact amount or more back in my account. Okay, so that's $6. Minus 6, I have 60 bucks in this one. Okay, so that's all the unstuffing. Oh wait, no. There's one more important one I need to do, but I won't be pulling cash out for this one. Okay, I need to go to my emergency envelope because I had to use that last weekend to pay the deductible on my car, for my car issue that happened because my catalytic converter was stolen, so I had to pay for that. So I have $3,303 in this envelope, and I need to just take out one of these placeholders because I have $3,000 already in my savings account. So I'm just going to remove one of these. And then I'm going to deduct that amount from here. $2,303. And then I have one more place I want to note this, which is on my, what do I call it? I forget what I call this sheet. Like what I have in the bank, I think, something like that. Oh, if you're interested in any of these sheets, I have them on my Patreon. Oh yeah, sinking funds in the bank. Okay, so this sheet here, I have emergency, which right now states that I have a 3,000. I no longer have 3,000, so I'm just gonna subtract 1,000, and now I have 2,000. I have 2,000 in the bank, but in this envelope total, I have 2,303, but I have 303 in this envelope with cash. So that's why it doesn't say the exact total, but it just says what I have physically in the bank right now. Okay, so that's $2,000 or in savings. Okay, so that is done. Yes, all right. Not gonna lie, it was really nice to have that envelope nicely stuffed and with that amount, because I didn't have to worry about the money aspect of that issue. So yeah, that wasn't even like a concern. It is what it is. At least I have that money to deal with issues like this. I got my car back last weekend, so I'm all good. Everything's good. And yeah, all done. Okay, so what I should have in the tray is 180. So I'm going to count and make sure that's correct. So I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30. So that's 130, 135, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay, 180. So that's all going back into my checking, since that's where that all came from. Okay, so now that that's done, I can condense, if I can. I mean, I only have 20 and 10s really to use for condensing, but I'm going to try and use what I have to try to condense a little bit in these envelopes, because I have been putting a lot of 5s in envelopes every week, so I might have some 5s I can condense down. Okay, for this one, we're just going to make it, take this and make it a 20. And auto, so I have 1, 250, 70, 90, 310, 330, 350, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 364 in auto. Electronics, I can do a 10. Okay, so I have 20, 30, 40, 51 in electronics. Emergency, I have, oh yeah, I can condense this. Okay, I could do a few 10s. 10, 5, 10, 15, 20. So 2 10s. 1, 250, 70, 80, 90, 300, 1, 2, 3. So 303 in cash. 2,303 total. And then extra savings, I can't condense that. Furniture, maybe. Okay, I can do a 10 in this one. All right, so I have 100, 250, 60, 65, 6, 7, 8, 268 in furniture. Okay, month ahead. Nothing. Rainy day, maybe. Okay, I do 110. Once I run out of these 10s, I probably can't condense much else. Maybe some dollar bills, but that's about it. So 120, 40, 60, 80, 90, 205 in rainy day. Okay, registration. Oh yeah, I do a lot of 5s in here, so I do a 10. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95. And you could be better prepared than me, and you can go to the bank and get larger denominations, so that way you can condense a little bit better than I'm doing right now. I like to just go to the bank once a week is enough for me. So that's why I just, whatever I can use from what I have on my tray is what I'm going to use. just because I really didn't want to go to the bank. All right, so here's fine. Travel, maybe. Sometimes, you know, you can learn from my mistakes or choose to do things differently. So 100, 250, 70, 90, 310, 15, 16, 17. So 317 in travel. Oh, actually I have 500 already in savings, so that's 817 total. Okay, so that one's done. Let's do this one next. Still have 10, so I can still condense. And thankfully, like I said, I do a lot of 5s every week, so I can condense a little bit. So that's 25 in Disneyland. I have a Disney trip planned next week. So, oh, this one definitely can be condensed. Treat yourself. Treat yourself. 10. Oh, I didn't count it. I didn't count it. 120, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97. 197 and treat yourself. Okay, let's keep hitting that. Okay, hobbies. A 10. Lots of 10s in this one. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and hobbies. Christmas. A 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 420, 30. Oh, wait, hold on, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 420, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3. 463. Yes, 463. And Christmas. Almost a 500 in this one. Yay. Holiday decor. Oh, for sure 10. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20. So 2 10s. So that's my last 10s. Okay. So I have 120, 30, 40, 1, 2. 132. 142. Did I say 142? Oh my goodness. 120, 30, 40. Yeah, I did. Okay. I just forgot what I said. All right. I don't have any more 10s. This one just has a placeholder. So I know for sure Costco, I usually put a lot of 1s in Costco, so let me condense that one. Maybe with some 5s. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So 10, 20, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29 in Costco. I think that's it. Everything else usually gets 5, so I think I should be fine with these envelopes. Oops. My binder. Oh, and then let me try this binder next. Maybe I have some things I can condense in here. Maybe this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That one's good. And then maybe this one. Oh yeah, for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure I count this right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What's this 5? 1. Well, oh, this is actually 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Perfect. All right, so that is everything's condensed that I could condense with what I had, my small denominations that I had. I'm just going to count, make sure I still have 180 here, and then I will be done. All right, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. Okay, so that is 180 going back into my account. And my placeholder gone. from one of my envelope, from my emergency envelope. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching as I unstuffed and condensed for the week, actually for a few weeks worth of unstuffings. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.